welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today we're going to have a tour of Bimini Beach Club in the Bahamas so you can get an idea of what to expect when you come here with Virgin Voyages. So this is what you will see as you arrive at the beach club. Then we have the beach club sign with the Virgin Voyages logo on, but let's go inside and take a look around. This is the main lobby where there is a beautiful seating area, and to my left there is a map of the resort so you can figure out exactly where you want to go after arriving. Straight in front of me is the path between the two pools that will lead you straight to the beach, but we're going to do a circle around the resort, so we will go to our right. The first thing that we are going to come to is the bathrooms and the changing rooms. So to my left we have two cabanas which can be used to get changed into your swimwear, and then we have a wall of lockers. To get a key for the lockers, you just ask at reception and they will provide you with one. Here we have the bathrooms, and then we have a wall of sinks and mirrors. We have some more changing cabanas here and a lot more lockers. As we leave the changing area and the locker room, we come to a lovely hammock area. These hammocks are gorgeous. You can lie under the palm trees, so they're great if you want a little bit of shade. And then we have 4 cabanas over here. We have come to our first eating area. So this is the kitchen where the chefs are going to prepare your lunch and your snacks. And then to the left we have loads of tables where you will enjoy an amazing dining experience at Bimini Beach Club. As we leave the dining area and come to the far right side of the beach club, we come to another set of bathrooms. We have 4 showers here where you can wash the sand off your feet after going on the beach, and then more bathrooms. We are now at the far right side of the beach club, so we can see all down the beach. We have more cabanas to my left which are up for rent, so if you would like a cabana for the day while you are at the beach club, you can speak to Sailor Services and board the ship. The big ball that you can see is actually an incredible fire pit that will be lit up at night. Then here we have our first bar, which is located at the far right hand side of the pool. This is our DJ booth at the end of the pool where no doubt we will have some very exciting people playing for you. Now hopping onto the beach path, you can see we have a towel bin and a trash bin. These are located all over the resort. Walking down the beach path we have more cabanas and a lot more beds which overlook the ocean. So we are back to the centre of the beach club. Right in front of me you can see the entrance. So now we're going to go over to the left hand side of the beach club. As well as all the beds on the beach, as you can see there are many beds and umbrellas along the pool, so you can really take your pick. And we're coming to the second bar, which is located at the corner of the left hand pool. We come to our third set of bathrooms over on the left hand side of the beach club. And we come to our second eating area. Both eating areas will serve the same dishes, so it really doesn't matter where you sit. And this is the menu that I got to enjoy when I was there, and it was absolutely unbelievable. This is what I had for lunch, lots of small dishes, and they were all gorgeous. So we have just finished lunch and it was possibly the most incredible thing ever. How good was it?
Phenomenal. Out as well.
We are honestly blown away by how good that food was. And then later on in the day there are snacks that are available, and these are the ones that I chose. Over on the left hand side of the beach club, past the eating area, is the VIP section. This is for all our rock stars and mega rock stars. So we have a beautiful deck with lots of seating where you can overlook the ocean. The stairs lead down to the beach where you can see there are many more beds up for grabs. It's a great place to get away from the crowds and grab some shade, with lots of seating to be had on these gorgeous chairs. There are also more indoor bathrooms in the VIP area, and also another bar so you can avoid queuing. As we leave the VIP club, we come to the eating area, and as we leave the eating area, we come to another set of hammocks. We have more cabanas to my right, just before we come back to the lobby, we have a lovely seating area. So if you do want to grab some shade, read a book, drink your cocktail, this could be the perfect spot for you. We have lovely woven chairs, lots of cushions, so it's a really comfortable place to spend your afternoon. And then we come back to the entranceway. So we've done a full circuit of Bimini Beach Club. But now I think it's time to go to the beach. Lots of really comfortable sunbeds. But look at the colour of that water. Have you ever seen anything like it? It is just absolutely exquisite. And the colour of the sand. I mean, what more could you want? And if we look really closely, you can actually see the ship, the Scarlet Lady, waiting for us to return. So, as you can see guys, it's pretty amazing here. So I really hope this video has got you excited to come here. It really is phenomenal. But anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please press like and subscribe for more cruise ship content. And if you have any video suggestions or questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you with the next video, guys. Bye.